Hello everybody, I am the executive chef Kai Müller, going to show you how to prepare a very nice cooler. You have to juice a little bit of ginger. After it will look more or less like that. We're gonna use a little bit tahini paste as well, okay? Just around a teaspoon. You can find this in any organic store. Apple juice, this is green apple juice by the way. We're going to use around 150 milliliters. Then coconut water from a young coconut, another 150. We'll bring it up to 300. Here we go. Now, this is tamarind juice, very sour but very nice. It has a nice fruity note. Then, as I mentioned before, tahini, half a spoon. That should bring us around 5 milliliters. And ginger juice. That should be enough with around 3 to 4 milliliters, okay? What is missing now are the ice cubes. Let's add maybe 4 to 5 really small ice cubes. And it's a very hot day. Number 5, here we go. Put the lid on. And action. I love this blender. Beautiful stuff. Okay, so be careful. It smells fantastic. Just carefully pour it in. Yes. That looks delicious. And let's put on top a nice garnish. Let's put the watermelon heart and trimmed pineapple. And here we have it, our Ginger Tamarind Cooler. Please enjoy.